Today we're making the slow comfortable screw. Please don't send your love and masturbation to us. Watch till the end, you'll get it.
Welcome to Common Man Cocktails. I'm Derek, that's Ian. That's all we got here. You can leave. No, just kidding. Today, we're gonna make the slow comfortable screw.
Did we do this already?
No, we've done the slow comfortable screw against the wall.
Up against the wall.
Oh.
Which is vodka, I think, and Galliano, because it's a Harvey Wallbanger.
Yes.
This is the basis for the slow comfortable screw against the wall, the slow comfortable Mexican screw against the wall, the slow comfortable screw with the oily whiskey. I don't know. There's fucking names all over the place for
in the bathroom of a gay bar.
Yeah, there's
Oily
all kinds of. I don't know. I just made some shit up. It's a thing.
It's an oily whiskey.
I don't know. There's a thing. There's like a lot of drinks with this name.
There's like made up words in that drink name.
This is the bassist. This is the bassist
The
of all.
bassist?
That's like
I think you've
pastries.
been saying racist too much. Everything it's the bassist.
I say racist all the time.
You say racist, I say racist.
Hey,
You say
shut up for a second. So, this drink is going to be 1.5 ounces of Southern Comfort, 1/2 ounce of bourbon whiskey, 3.5 ounces of freshly squeezed orange juice, and 1/2 ounce of sloe gin floated on the top. Now, I say freshly squeezed orange juice because I fucking mean it. Listen, there's a video all about how fake orange juice is. If you didn't know that, you should know now. I know Adam ruined it for a while.
I was gonna say if you don't want, go watch Adam Ruins Everything.
Basically, they use flavor packets to produce orange juice to match the flavor profile that they want. Flavor packets are just a bunch of chemical stuff, but they use actual tincture. They use the like orange essence so that they don't have to actually say it's made from artificial flavors because it's made from natural ingredients. It's just not the oranges that were used to press to make the orange juice. Side note. Secondly, that looks really good. The way we're gonna build this.
Thanks.
And this is submitted by Jay Kittles.
Kind of used to it. I almost forgot to say thanks.
Kittles and Sloe. J.K. sent this over. I changed this recipe a little bit by doing some Googles, finding out kind of what fits the slow comfortable screw. There's actually not that many recipes out there, ironically. And this one calls for stirring your base ingredients, and then you're going to pour it over ice into a tall glass like this. This is a Chicago highball available at awesomedrinks.com. You can use coupon code July18, save 18% off at awesomedrinks.com to buy those a little bit cheaper than they are already.
There goes that.
Which is already pretty cheap. So, this is important because the orange juice, it's kind of warm, it's been sitting down here for the whole recording. For those that care, I guess the fans of the show, this is what YouTube has sent us. This is called the silver play button. For those that have other YouTube subscribers that are...
Hey, it's a party sound in the background.
YouTube, let's see, it's silver. It looks more silver from here. If you've been watching other big YouTubers that have a bunch of these different color buttons, there's silver, there's gold, there's ruby, I think. I think it's a 10 million or something like that. This, when you hit 100,000 subscribers, YouTube sends this to you free of charge. They changed it. It used to just be a button. Now it's an actual plaque. It has our name on it and says we have over 100,000 subscribers. If you've been watching and being like, oh, when are we going to hit your number? We hit it a while ago, actually, probably 3 or 4 months ago. They sent this to me a couple of days ago or weeks ago or something. It's kind of been hiding in the back, so I wanted to see if anybody said anything. That and I forgot it was there. It's nice. I like free stuff. Yeah.
It looks nice.
I would be happier with more viewers than a plaque, but I'll take what I can get. I mean, it took 10 years to get there. That's what? How many subscribers? That's 10,000 subscribers a year? No.
Yeah.
Is it? 10,000 a year.
I'd break that down by the day now.
It was a lot higher, and then it went down, and now it's like at about, we get about 3,000 a month.
You peaked.
Peaked.
You peaked. It happens.
I peaked.
Nothing to be
Yeah.
ashamed of. I mean, everybody peaks. Sometimes it happens later.
I think I
sometimes
peaked
it happens earlier.
I think 2014 was probably our best year.
Okay.
And now I'm at the point where
That makes sense. I think that's when I started.
I at this point, I should probably leave that for a
I
second.
think that's when you moved to the basement, actually. And Kurt was in here, and
Right?
They're like,
I
oh,
don't
Kurt's
remember.
on the show,
Maybe.
I'm done.
Yeah. It actually has nothing to do with the year. Specifically, it has to do with the algorithm and them changing how search is relevant, and some of the ways people watch content today. They don't watch us like they used to because they're chasing like the fucking crazy stuff. Like if I go jumping up cliff diving and shit, I get a lot more views.
With a cocktail?
totally.
With a cocktail?
That's what you need to do.
Or if you jump over a waterfall and die.
With a cocktail.
Right.
Did
Then
you see
you
that?
get fucking tons of
No.
views.
3 YouTubers like died going over a waterfall. They were like an adventure channel.
Well, they're stupid.
Well, no, I think they did normal adventure stuff. I don't know what happened. I just saw a headline. I don't want to say they're stupid. They're dead, Jen.
Yeah,
and
I
have
did.
some respect. It's your birthday. You can't get away with everything.
It's my birthday, goddammit. I can say what I want.
Easy, Logan Paul.
No, but at the same time,
Whoa,
Well-
don't go there.
at the same time, there is a good point there that you have, like a lot of channels, to get the views, they have to keep getting crazier and crazier and crazier to top what they did last time.
Yeah.
So my option is, how about no? How about we just, oh
Yeah,
fuck.
Steven,
Oh!
Steven wants some crazy.
That's as crazy as I get. I'll take the pain. Oh shit!
Those are 3 good ones.
Hold on.
3 on 2 hands.
I'm happy with those 3. Thank you for that, Steven.
Our executive producer is Mark Brown. Thanks, Mark.
There you go. Fortnite and cocktails. There's your winner.
Right.
Night cocktail.
See, that's the problem. Like,
Ian's all in. He's like, yes.
people like try and chase the next greatest thing to be on the top of YouTube. I just said, fuck it. You know what? We drink anyway. Like, if we want to hang out and we need an excuse to hang out, here we are.
Anyways,
And everybody
what's
else
it
gets to
taste
see.
When you hang out on video.
Tastes like orange juice, actually. Did you put whiskey in here?
Yeah.
It tastes like a
like?
sweet.
He's like, speaking of hanging out, I'm cleaning up.
It's like a sweet.
That's
I
why.
don't even know what the fuck was in this drink. Thanks.
Don't hit Derek. It's just for congrats.
Oh, okay. Since you specified, we will spare his hand. He's gonna need that later after his mother-in-law comment.
Oh wait,
After my mother-in-law comment.
This isn't a jerk off thing.
Yeah, no, it was.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, because my hand's numb, so I might feel like the stranger.
Give me the thing.
Ian, you need to teach your alternate co-host Dan how to hand slap.
He doesn't like the hand slaps either. He has sensitive hands.
Oh, we did
He
hand
has
slaps.
sensitive everything.
We did hand slaps last month.
Flour.
We did hand slaps last month. It was very gentle.
Did you gingerly touch tips and prepare for battle?
Oh, we were sword fighting all over the place.
That was a movie quote for anybody. Anybody out there who gets the quote automatically wins nothing. So
You win.
Fire away.
Nothing. So this
gingerly
doesn't.
touch tips and prepare for battle.
This doesn't taste like this new.
Is this the last drink?
Yes. This doesn't taste. You missed.
I was going blind.
Oh. So if you guys would like us to review this next month, I won't be able to because it's mezcal month and I got a lot of mezcal to take a look at. But this is Wiggle Pennsylvania Bourbon. Wiggle is a fantastic
You want me to review
company.
this? I'm not.
It's got to be like a month and a half too. But I could do
It'll
it.
probably be gone by then. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, no, I don't think so. 15 months
No, if it was mezcal,
aged. So this is a bourbon whiskey. It was like $50 on sale. I don't know what it really goes for, but it's probably really expensive. Probably overkill for a slow, comfortable screw, but at the same time, that's
lost
that's
in
all I
there.
got to be fucking crazy about. I'm not gonna cliff dive. I'm not gonna kill myself. So I just use really expensive bourbon and an orange juice based drink.
You just fart. What was that sound?
Was that you?
No, that was you. It sounded like you squeaked one out.
Yeah.
Jump cut.
No one. You don't understand. When there's fucking weird squeaky sounds, that
You heard
means
it, right?
shit's gonna break. Like that's not normal.
I thought it was weird. I thought it came out of your butt.
No, but I heard it too. It was like a little, like somebody stepped on a mouse. Anyway,
It was like somebody farted, right?
I don't know what that was, but now something's breaking is all I know. This is what a concerned homeowner does. He goes, "What the fuck was that noise? That's different."
I'm glad.
Those aren't pastries. Those were wood carvings.
What?
Wooden statues.
What are we talking about?
Penises.
Oh,
Fertility. Yeah.
Fertility statues.
It's like I have no idea why.
Happy lucky number 1 penis.
We might have said what this was. It tastes like orange juice and
It's a slow,
sweet.
comfortable screw.
I don't know why you float that on top because it sinks.
Thanks. Yeah. Well, I think the thing is that the slow gin we use is a higher end slow gin, so it probably doesn't have the syrupy content, or maybe it
it's
has more
floating on
syrupy.
top.
I don't know.
I don't know. It tastes fine. You know what
Yeah.
it is? It's freshly squeezed orange juice. It's fucking awesome.
It makes a difference.
It's Valencia oranges. They're the best fucking oranges. You do get a little Southern Comfort sweetness and a little twang, but it's fine. I like it. It's just, I mean, it's just a good poolside drink.
Diana's on top of it. She just remembered it's her middle daughter's birthday. That's why they're going out there.
What? I don't know what the fuck is going on.
There's so much going on. It's hard to keep track.
It's
not
all
helping. I'm
over
not
the place
helping.
tonight.
It's all over the place. So since it's all over the place, here's what I gotta
You know,
say.
when we did this every week, we had our shit together.
Yeah, because we did it every week.
Things fly off the handle. It's all.
So, question today. Did you like it every week, or now that everything's fucking chaos? You leave your answers. So, A, click the bell icon and subscribe to the show. B, like the video. C, 1, 2, 3, go to recipe.awesomedrinks.com and start bookmarking some of the stuff. Here's what I did.
4.
4?
Who's the executive producer?
Mark Brown. I think I said that.
Okay.
I might have actually got that. I went right to 4.
Okay. V.
Coupon code is July 18th. Save 18% off at awesomedrinks.com. Which recipe.awesomedrinks.com kind of goes to. Here's the thing. I was going to say about that. I updated recipe.awesomedrinks.com because I was annoyed. Here's what I did.
What did you do?
I made a servings option because I was saving that for later. Because I was going to write some crazy code to do it to see if I could help me get a job. But I got a job, so I don't need to do that anymore. So I took the lazy man's way out. And there's a servings option. It's 1 through 10. So you can say, I want 10 servings. Boom. It just does the math. It's fucking easy.
Easy peasy.
Times 10. Boom. And whatever it is, you get your answer. So when I'm at the pool and somebody says, let's make daiquiris, I can't make one daiquiri at the pool. I have to make them in sets of 5 because that's 2 drinks.
As soon as you make one, someone else is going
No. This is 2 people. Her and Don's mom.
Okay, so you gotta make doubles.
No! I gotta make 5 to 10
It's doubles.
is doubles.
Okay.
Because they put them in solo cups, right? So they're fucking big. So making a daiquiri turns into making 10 daiquiris.
This is not their daiquiri.
No.
This is their daiquiri.
That's their daiquiris. So that's how I make a daiquiri. So I need the servings.
Yeah, pint of daiquiris, please.
Yeah. So I need the servings in order to not have to do the math every time. Because
And
I'm like
do
looking
this
at the
by a
shit.
swimming pool where they can easily pass out into the pool.
I have never seen either of them
Typical.
even
No, they
trip
wouldn't.
weird. So
You've never seen Jen trip weird?
at the pool, no.
Okay.
So
was thinking-
what I'm
I
saying,
keep my shit together.
Trip weird.
short story long, is I added a servings option to do all the multiplication for you. Now Steven is like, well, now can you change the scorpion bowl because now it's set for a scorpion bowl size, and now you're saying a servings of 10. No, because that's fucking hard. And I like the scorpion bowl because it's a bowl, so it should be in that size.
Yeah.
So if you want servings of 10, that's 10 bowls. Fuck that. Right?
Ouch.
Oh, Edward's summer drink this year is a tequila sour.
Tequila sour. Good
There you
drink.
go. Also known as.
Margarita? Okay. I didn't know where we were going with that. It's like, my tequila sour is different than the margarita because one had egg whites and a different balance. But other than that, it's
And you don't have to use
whiskey
agave
sour,
in a sour. You don't have to use.
tequila. I don't think we use an agave. I don't remember what we
You
used.
wouldn't necessarily use an agave syrup as a sour, but you would definitely for a margarita.
Yeah, I think.
Yeah.
That's neither here nor there. You can go and check all that stuff out I just said. Otherwise, there's a sidebar, because we're done for the month. This is actually already in August. This video is like way late, I think. So, sidebar for more videos down below, the awesomedrinks.com bartender starter kit so that you can get started making drinks. If you already have all that stuff, we have bitter syrups and all the other stuff you're going to need anyway, so go there and buy stuff.
Yeah.
That's my pitch. We gave you a video for free, so there.
No complaints.
No!
We don't want to hear it.
No!
We want your love and adulation. We don't want your bitching and moaning.
Love and masturbation! We're teaching you how to drink!